Oh, I wasn't recording, I don't think. Okay. So they might start shooting again. I got my head protection, my ear protection. And I'll just fast forward it a lot or a little where there won't be no sound if they start shooting again. But I'm putting petroleum jelly in spots for Chippy, and I don't really know Chippy patterns, so I'm just kind of guessing. You can tell I've been busy at it because I thought I was recording. And I'm making it thin because I don't want it to get all in my brush. And over here, I don't think I'm gonna, there's no need because it'd be chipping away to white. Alright. And I guess I don't have to worry too much about coverage because I'm going to distress it. But I'll be going back with second coat. Okay, I put some stuff right there, the Vaseline, and I thought I'm going to try to do it with a paper towel, see how that does. Might be more random looking. Let's see. Well, you can hear them talking over there. Foul language and all. Oops. Anyway. Okay. Now I don't remember where all I did it. Oh, this needs smushed in a little more. Alright. Alright, now I gotta paint this. Alright, don't hate me because I'm beautiful. But I'm fixing to sand it. And I ain't ever really done this to distress something. So, I might have it silent because people were talking. I don't want us eavesdropping on them. Alright, so here we go. Here goes nothing. I'll figure out how to work it. Alright, looks good where I go all the way through, but it don't look good there. I can touch that up with paint. Huh. So I'll let that get on there. I'm gonna try this. That's an unsharp edge. Maybe nothing. We got some chippy. Oh yeah. There she blows. Okay, I figured I'd give you a closer view. There that is. And I can't wait to do the one where I got the Vaseline, see how it worked out. And I ended up kind of liking where that showed through. At first I didn't. And right here I didn't like that spot, so I went back over it with some white paint. And so there we go. Oh, and I don't know if I've told you, this post, let me show you the end. It's hollow. And it's hollow, so I can run a wire up in it. I'll probably have to cut out a little notch somewhere. And we've been wanting to change the porch light, so I'll probably mount a porch light right there and put it in my booth. And it'll just have, you know, be wired, because, you know, it has to be wired in, but my boyfriend can do that. And, you know, if you can't wire one in, you could get a post that's hollow and get some kind of plug-in thing that looks like a porch light and put you a hole, run the plug-in through there, mount it, and hook it to your drop cord. I think a cat's in my building. I'll be back. Okay, I think I figured out, you remember that spot I said I didn't like and I put a little paint on it? It was that chocolatey looking spot, like that one. It's kind of dark over here. But I think it's because my paint wasn't really dry. It kind of gives the illusion of another color paint on there, but I'm going to go over it with some white just around these edges. I don't know what that color came from. Probably the tool. And okay, let me put them side by side. Okay, I didn't want them too matchy. So, there we go. And that's the end. Now the one I've been looking forward to, because I want to see what the Vaseline stuff looks like when I get it done. Woohoo! Okay, here we go on the big post. I ain't seeing none of my Vaseline spots. Now there's the spot I didn't paint good. I may just sand it off. There's the spot I didn't paint good. Of course I could go back and paint it good, couldn't I? Huh. Let me turn this thing around. Well, let me go ahead and do the bottom. Oh. I'm thinking I had some Vaseline there. Where's that? Hickoroonie. Maybe not. Huh. I don't know. Let's try another side. Alrighty. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did on this side. That's probably... Oh yeah, that's some of it. You see that? Let me come get you. Right there. Oh, let me... It's getting dark. It's just scraping off. So that's one of the spots. Let's see if we can find another one. Hey, this looks like one. Probably. Alright, let's put you back. Yeah. It's a little white. If I had a wet finger, I might could get that white off. But let your paint dry good. If all possible. Alright. Let's see. I can't see an obvious spot where I put Vaseline. Maybe there. Aha. Okay, I'm gonna get you close. Right there. Okay, let me get my sander. Where was I? See if I can find another one. Well, I'll hold on 5. Okay, I was holding this and filming at the same time, I thought, but it wasn't on. It wasn't recording. Right here I can see spot there, spot there. It looks like it's got that Vaseline. And we'll just sand and try to sand and show you at the same time. Okay, if that was Vaseline there, then it didn't work. Let's see. That thing using a metal tool, there was Vaseline there. You might get some gray or something. That may be where I... Oh, don't use the end. Yeah, that was supposed to sand off. Where's that other spot? I don't remember what it was. Maybe there. Anywho. Ain't got time to be too picky. Okay, that was just bad paint job. There's a little more bad there, but oh well. Well, I ain't seeing where I have. Well, no. That was probably, that looks pretty good. Those little bit chips, but let's get a little bit bigger chips somewhere. Maybe. I better quit before I turn it gray with this metal. Okay. Alright, well. Okay, it's getting so dark. As far as for filming anyway. So there's that one. I know, I'll lay them all 3 out. Okay, right there, that looks too sanded to me. I'm gonna work on that. And that just, I don't know, I may just paint over it. Instead of just, you know, trying to leave some of that showing, I may just paint over it. But those are 2 spots. Okay, let me get out here. And there they are. This is going to be the only display stuff that's not crisp white, that fake, you know what I'm talking about, fake bookshelf stuff. That ain't real wood. Or it is smushed with glue, I don't know. And because I didn't really want it competing with stuff I make old looking to sell. But I wanted to do these. Although they do look good white too. So that's that. And I can't wait to get my booth ready and show y'all. I can't wait. Anyway, bye y'all.